Conformity is something awesome. If you're different, you are weird.
We explained to the fly leaders what our project is and asked them to participate at the next meeting. The morning of the fly meeting, we set up 2 hidden cameras before anyone else got there and removed our own shoes.
As members of Fly started filing in, we explained the plan and asked them to remove their shoes. We asked the first 15 people to do this.
As people started arriving, they questioned the shoes, and some conformed and some didn't. 3 people out of the 22 people did.
Later on, Kennedy started talking about a volunteer opportunity, and the second half of our experiment started. During this, people started randomly standing up. There were a million confused looks, but only one person conformed and stood up.
There were 2 large things that could have caused this deviation. The first thing is that we tested in a group of leadership students who take pride in being confident in oneself. Kids who believe less in leadership or their own self may have been more likely to conform in that situation. The other deviation is that we had someone who wasn't aware of the test we were doing move the shoes out of the sight of most people walking in the door. This ended in approximately 31% of the people not even noticing the fact that people's shoes were off. Because of this, the test results were affected.
So what was your experience this morning?
Well, I had no idea that the project was going on. So when everyone started standing up, I thought we were supposed to stand up because I thought something was happening. But then I thought to myself, no, Lauren, don't stand up because this is some team project. Like, you know, when we get divided into our little teams, I thought it was like a team standing up to do a presentation for some event that was going to happen. And then they didn't say anything. And I thought, okay, are we going to start singing? Like, I didn't know what to do. So I started to stand up, and then Victoria was like, Lauren, what the hell are you doing? And I was like, so we sit down. And I was like, are we supposed to? And she was like, just sit. And I was like, oh. Okay. So that's the only reason I sat.
After our experiment, we told Fly what happened and concluded conformity isn't very present.